Considering new, powerful router options for your next installation? Check out the EG1510XS gateway from Reyee. This rack-mountable powerhouse is touted as Reyee's next level flagship business router. Two LAN/WAN switchable SFP Plus ports offer huge throughput to aggregation switches or for dedicated fiber internet breakouts. There's potential for incredible redundancy via 7 possible WAN ports, 3 of which are Gigabit, and the rest are 2.5 gigabit per second ports. With this many options, enterprise-level speed and high availability can be achieved with ease. Under the hood is a quad-core CPU and 4 GB of RAM, supporting a ceiling of 1,500 clients and up to 4 gigabit per second through the WAN. You will find a 2.5-inch HDD bay for up to 1 TB extension, which allows for up to 4 or 5 months storage of system logs. Great for troubleshooting long-standing issues or monitoring changes on the network. If this excites your gear acquisition syndrome, contact Scoop today.